Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from ILIKEHAIR. We actually haven't done a wig install from them in quite a bit now. Today I'll be showing you guys their Kinky Straight 9x4 HD lace closure wig. This particular wig has a 3C kinky edges in the front, which helps it look extremely natural. I have this one in 22 inches. And because the lace on this wig has so much room, I was able to do 3 different styles in total. Okay you guys, so let's get started. So here is the hair. As I mentioned earlier, it is a nice kinky straight texture. The first thing that I noticed about this wig unit was how flowy it was, how soft it was, and she was full all the way from the lace down to the tip of the hair, which I definitely appreciate. And this is just a clip of those edges, that way you guys can have a closer look, and a clip of everything that came inside the box as well. So as always, we're going to start off with adding some foundation on the lace. You guys know that is extremely important. Regardless if it is HD or not, you want to make sure that the lace matches your skin color specifically, so use the foundation that you would normally use. Next, we're just going to throw the wig on, make sure everything is fitting correctly and it's centered. Now this wig does come with the elastic band, which is adjustable, and the pre-shaped ear tab as well, so it fits comfortably around your ears, which I'm going to show you guys as well. As you guys can see, the hairline is looking extremely natural. This lace does have a lot of room. It is a 9x4 lace closure, and this wig does fit comfortably around my ears because of the pre-shaped ear tab. Even when I lifted up the lace to show you guys my natural edges and put the lace back down, it looks extremely natural. It blends right in with my natural texture. So I definitely appreciate that because I love having wigs that mimic my natural hair. So I'm going to go ahead and comb the baby hairs back because you don't want it to look like it's separated from the rest of the wig. You kind of want everything to blend in together, but we're not going to be laying them down. We're going to keep them extremely natural. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation wherever I do see the lace. Now this wig install will be 100% glueless and sprayless, so I'm not going to use any type of spray to melt any type of lace that I do see. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of finesse the edges that are there and just move them in a way where it's covering up those little pieces of lace that you might see, especially on each side. So I'm kind of just finessing it. I'm going to keep playing with it until I'm extremely happy with it. So after playing with the edges, this is the final look. Technically, the install portion of this wig install is done. We're going to move on into styling, but I wanted to give you guys another close-up first. The natural edges on this wig is even blending in with my sideburns as well. So at this point, you cannot tell me that this is not my hair. Wigs like this are so nice, not only because they mimic your natural hair, so you feel a lot more comfortable, it's a lot more manageable, you're familiar with this texture, with those edges, but these are the type of wigs that are great for protective styling. They protect your edges as well, because you are not using any type of spray nor glue. So let's move on. So I was like, what can I do to kind of just make this wig stand out a little bit more? So I went ahead and I brushed her through, and even though she's kinky, you guys, she's more so on like a blowout type of texture, like, you know, when you blow out your natural hair, it kind of feels like that. It's very soft, very flowy. So I went ahead and I added just a little bit of layers just to help the front of the wig frame my face a little bit better. And then the first style that I'm going to do is a no parting style, so I'm just going to kind of throw the hair over, and we are also going to use the flat iron to add some bumps into this wig as well. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did. I went ahead and I combed through the hair, and I did work in kind of like medium sections, I will say. So I straightened the hair as normal, and then all I did was kind of just turn the flat iron towards the end to get that little bump on the ends, just to kind of give me a little curl, nothing too much. I wanted to keep most of the hair straight. I just wanted to bump the ends. So I did that throughout the entire wig, and honestly, this hair behaved so well with this heat. I did not have to add any type of heat protectant. I did use holding spray, but that was towards the end of it. But I didn't have to add any type of spray as far as making it shiny or helping it as far as the heat. Like, the hair cooperated really good all on its own. So once I got to the last piece, I just kind of went ahead and ran my fingers through the hair, and I'm going to stand up just to show you guys what the ends are looking like. Again, it's looking very pretty. That's all I wanted. I just wanted like a little bump on the ends. I didn't really want her bone straight today, and she was super flowy. So this is the difference between the curled side versus the uncurled side, and I went ahead and I did the other side off camera. But I wanted to talk to you guys as far as the quality of the hair. I already mentioned how soft she was, how flowy she was. You guys can see that on camera. But I do want to talk about the shedding. This wig had no shedding. I don't know if you expected me to say anything different, but no, she didn't have any type of shedding whatsoever. She was not tangling or anything like that. And what I mean to tell you guys, this hair was so beautiful to the touch. It was so eye capturing. It was just beautiful overall. So this is the first hairstyle that I mentioned earlier. It's kind of like a flip over. There's no defined part or anything like that. This style really shows off the natural edges. And honestly, you can wear it out just like this. I would have, but I did want to give you guys other options as well. I went ahead and I stood in front of my bedroom window just to show you guys what the hairline was looking like in natural lighting. And remember that this is a 9x4 lace closure, so we can do other styles, okay? So I'm gonna give you guys a glimpse of a middle part and a side part as well. And just so you guys know, whenever you are switching your parting styles, in order to get that part to stay, you'll just be using your wax stick and your hot comb just to mold the wig down in place. And that is literally all I did. So this is what the hair looks like with a middle part. Again, I'm going to give you guys a glimpse of the side part as well. Both styles looked extremely natural. Again, the hair was very flowy, very soft. This is definitely going to be one of my everyday wig units. Well, whenever I am wearing a wig, but whenever I'm running out and I just want to keep it simple and I want something that looks like my natural hair, if I'm in need of a protective style at the moment, this is going to be the first wig that I'm going to look for to install and wear for the day. So make sure you guys go ahead and you leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this wig unit overall. Everything will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.